there, today we are going to make a Twitter account for your YouTube channel. Here are the timestamps for the video in case you want to jump to a particular section. Why create a Twitter account? Well, a Twitter account can be created for many purposes. Here are some of them. You can create a Twitter account for your business or your brand or even for your personal use. You can promote your brand and get your voice across a lot of people. You can connect with your viewers and also your customers and have a close relationship with them. You can also use Twitter account for your promotions. It can be a really good place where you can launch viral campaigns and also get to a significant amount of people to view your campaigns and participate in it. There are many advantages for a Twitter account as well. It can help you build new leads for your business. It can also create and increase your brand visibility and build relationships with many influencers. So let's get started and create a Twitter account. You can see that I'm in google.com and in here I am going to search up Twitter. You can also straight away jump to twitter.com or you can follow these steps. Now, Twitter is a very famous social media platform just like Facebook and Instagram. Now, when you load Twitter for the first time, you will see this splash screen. It will ask you either to sign up or to log in. Now, since it's a new account for us, we will go ahead and click on sign up. Now, in this dialog box, they will ask you to create your account. Now, the first step is you have to set up the account under your name. So you can just type in your name and then you will have the option to either input your phone number or you can click on the use email and it will switch to an email instead. Then you can just put in the email that you have set up for yourself. I have provided a link to my other video where I have shown you how to set up a Gmail account or an Outlook account. Once you're done with that, then they will ask you to set up your date of birth. You have to set up your date of birth even if this is for a business account or anything else. Once you're done, then you can go ahead and click on next. And then you are given the option if you want to customize your experience. I will leave it as it is and then I will go ahead and click on next. Now here, once you're done, you have the option to change your email address again or change your name, but I will just keep it as the same. And then you click on the big blue sign up button. Now, once you're done, Twitter will send you a verification code to your email for you to verify account creation. So in a new tab, I will straight away go to gmail.com and then I will click on the email that is sent by Twitter. Now in here you can see the verification code right there. All you need to do is just copy that code and go back to your Twitter account creation and just paste that code right there. Once you're done, then click on next. And then here Twitter will ask you to create a password which is 8 characters or more. So I am just going to type in a password right here. Once you're done with that, then you go ahead and click on next. And here Twitter will ask you if you want to pick a profile picture. Now you can also upload your favorite selfie, or if not, if this is your business account, then you can go ahead and upload your logo. I have already created a logo in my previous tutorial, so I will link that up into the card section as well. And I will be uploading that logo right here. Very easy to upload the logo. Just click on the camera icon and then you can just select the logo and upload it right there. You can also crop the logo if needed, but I will just go ahead and click on apply. When you're done, then click on next. Now here you can describe yourself and give a short bio of 160 characters. You can also do that later, so I'm going to skip it for now. And here you can upload any contacts or you can click on not now. Here Twitter will ask you for your topics of interest, so you can get tweets under those specific topics, but I will skip that for now too. All of these options you can follow later as well. Now Twitter will suggest you a few accounts to follow, but I'm just going to go ahead and click on next. And then on the last screen, you can either allow the notifications for your browser or you can skip them for now. I'm just going to go ahead and skip them. Now this is your timeline right here, and it's very empty because I did not follow anybody, nor did I follow any topics. So yours may look a little bit different than mine. Now what I'm going to do first is change my username right here. Now how do you do that is, first you go to profile and you can see your username under your name. Now this will be an auto-generated name, so it won't be matching with your channel name or your brand name. So what you can do is you can click on edit profile, and right here you can see all the profiles that I already told you that you could change later on, your description, your name and whatnot. Now since you want to change your channel name, you have to click on more and then click on settings and privacy. Once you click on that, you will be loading up with this screen right here. Now in here you have the option to change your username right there under login and security. So you click on the username and Twitter will suggest you some usernames, or you can go ahead and type in your own username. I'm just going to go ahead and type in a username that will be suitable for me. Once you're done with that, then all you need to do is click on save. So Twitter will save your username. And that is it. Your new username has been set. You can go ahead and change your email or your password or set up more security for your account. You can also change your display and your country and whatnot. You can also deactivate your account right from there as well. And now if you go in privacy and safety, and then you have other options to choose from there. You can turn off your notifications if you have set them up from the notifications tab. You can also change a few settings in content and preferences. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the Twitter display setting. So you can go ahead and do that from under general display. When you click on that tab, you have three options to choose from, that is default, dim and lights out. I'm going to go ahead and click on dim. You can also change the colors if you want from there, and then there are other settings as well to go ahead and change. Now once you're done with all of the changing, you can go back to your profile, and now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to change my banner right there. As you can see, Twitter has not uploaded any default banner for me, and it is just blank. So what I can do is I can click on edit profile, and from here I can click on the camera icon for the banner and then upload a banner that I have already created. The card is right up on the screen if you want to know how to create this banner. Now you can click on apply and Twitter will upload your banner straight away. And then once you're done, you can just go ahead and click on save. Once after a few seconds, Twitter will have uploaded your banner right there. Now in order to tweet your first tweet, you just click on the big blue tweet now icon, or you can, if you're in your timeline, your home page, you can also click on the tweet icon from the corner. From this dialog box, you can just type in your first tweet. For me, it will be a very generic hello world tweet, and then just click on tweet. And there we go. That is your first tweet that is tweeted from this new account. Thank you so much for watching on how to create a Twitter account. I hope you have understood the steps in order to create a Twitter account or a Twitter business account. I hope you have fun tweeting, and I will see you next time.